What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna replace my struts to Airlift Performance airbags 3P, and I'm gonna do the unboxing and the installing. Here's the box of the front kit, and Jacob's gonna help me. Hi, Jacob. And then his brother Jonathan. And here's the unboxing part. This is the installation kit. These are all the front struts. Look at how big this is. So heavy, bro. It's bigger than my hand, bro. It's ready. Yo. This is my current setup. The Mugen suspension and with the A-box springs, drill and slotted rudders, paint caliper. Man, looks nasty though. Did a lot of clean. Okay, so first we need to remove this one, the brake line. We are using number 12 socket wrench, and then I can't do it with one hand, so I'm gonna pause the video. Okay, so the first one is done, and then the next one is both of this and this one too, with the 11/16. Now the next one is to remove these two bolts, and then using the 3/4 Allen's wrench key. It's so hard to focus. And yeah. And next one, you need to remove these three of bolts using the 14. And then you need a jack stand for holding this here so that it doesn't fall down when you unscrew the bolt.
I think that's the same on both cars.
Alright guys, we got a new members who helped me. Alan, Jonathan.
I see you to vlog.
Yeah, I'm vlogging right now.
Ooh,
follow his YouTube, Backward Asian Works?
Yeah,
Backyard Asian Works. Okay.
Yeah, I see YouTube now too.
Hey.
Don't tempt me.
I only got
I
like...
do it for a long time, I'm too boring. What's your panel remover? Huh? What's your panel remover? What the heck is it all the way back there? Let's see if I can move this piece. It's like sitting inside this chair. There you go. There you go. Well, yeah, job now. Oh, now feel useless. Hey B! Actually, I need your help now.
Weight reduction. Is that the bolt for the suspension? Oh, okay.
I need my 14 millimeters. I don't want to put it.
Oh. I need to take this out too.
We're gonna bend it. Who doesn't have the dust shield?
Dude, it's on Jack.
It's fine.
Ready?
Oh no.
You're the marking point. I can't grab anything, Albert.
Dude, the car's on Jack stand.
Oh, I'm gonna take the spring out.
Yeah, it'll come out.
This is how Backyard Asian Works, dude.
This is how we get it out of house.
Without spring compressor, bro.
Alright, we're doing that spring compressor.
Another side of the spring, lowering spring. Hey, it's easy though. The second time is easy.
Not fun, that's bit. That's how we get it.
I need to drill this right here.
To put a cable wiring in it?
No, because the airlift, I have a screw. I need to go into here, but this hole is too small.
Oh,
So I make it bigger.
like wider. Okay.
Yeah, just easy, just
Yeah.
It's all disgusting.
So the next step is we're wrapping the exhaust.
yeah, some heat wrap.
Yeah, so it doesn't burn the back with the clamp.
That's all shit.
Now it's the wiring part. It's the hardest part.
I can use this light.
I wish I had a fishing wire.
No, you're into the under.
Tank.
Here?
Gallon.
Just run it under here. No, you can't do it like that. Oh, wanna move it? Okay, battery disconnected. Let's put this back in. No, it's cut in. Make sure it doesn't move.
Where does the wire came in? From the steering wheel side? Okay.
No, I'm trying to figure out about putting your battery back in.
Uh-uh.
I forgot to do that last time. This piece.
It's getting dark now, guys.
Running out of time.
Hey, finally.
12 hours.
Yo, 12 hours, bro.
12 hours. No more than 12 actually.
Yeah.
42!
PSI's going up. Finally, backyard Asian works.
Yes, sound. We need to hold on to something.
Yeah.
That's the sound. Not that. That's the sound.
Makes a difference.
As far as 3P goes, it's supposed to reach
60?
up no. No, it's more than that. It's supposed to be 100 and...
150.
185.
It's been a while.